Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your rear wiper on most cars. So for mine, notice how this wiper won't go out. So there's this clip right here that you gotta pull back so you could lift this up. Now you wanna to push this up that way and then out. So up and then out, just like this. Now you want to get your new Viper. Gonna get this tab, seat it inside there, and push down. So now remember, if your Viper come with any type of film or plastic cover, make sure to take them off. For this particular one, it came with this plastic piece. I'm just gonna take this off, and then you should be good. There you go, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe.